Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And today, we're going to be looking at this little Snaptain drone. It's like the very younger brother of the other drone that I was reviewing. So if you haven't seen that other drone video, I'll put a link for it. Oh, wait, where is it? I'll put a link for it right there. This thing is a 4-axis aircraft. Pretty simple to use. It has altitude hold, 1-key return, emergency stop, headless mode, 3-speed switch, 360 flip, 1-key on and off. This is a budget drone, but it's going to give you everything you need to get started flying it, and we're going to do that today. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Let's see what comes inside this box and see if it's worth your hard-earned money. Now, you're gonna find this drone on Amazon. This drone is literally $25. So you're gonna be able to get started flying a drone, super cheap, comes with a controller. Pretty amazing, guys. Got a lot of awesome features with this particular drone. We're gonna open it up, see what comes inside the box. Right. Basic packaging here, very, very simple. Right here. It's a little mini drone. So they want you to be happy here at Snaptain. Captain Snaptain. So we're gonna pull out the controller. Now we got an on and off button. For 25 bucks, I mean, it's definitely not bad. You've got a bunch of features for the controller. We have a screw right there to change the batteries. I guess that's so it doesn't fall out when you're using it. And you're going to need 3 AAA batteries for that. And then we've got this little tiny drone, guys. That is so awesome. I can't believe how tiny it is. So we've got the battery right there. It was QC tested. If you actually look on the bottom of the packaging here, you're going to find your extra stuff. So we have a USB charger for the drone itself. We've got extra propellers. And look at this. They give you a little screwdriver for the back of this. Wow. This is a great company, man. I'll tell you, they think of everything. Unscrew that. Bang. We're going to check out the battery terminal. Would have been really nice if they included an extra screw, but you may not even need that screw because this is pretty secure here. So this is everything that comes inside the box. That's pretty awesome, guys. You've got the drone itself, screwdriver, 4 extra propellers, charger, remote control. And basic functions of the remote control, you're going to want to use the manual, as you're not going to be able to view the drone through your cell phone or anything. But that is pretty awesome. So that's where you charge it, and then there is a little on and off button, and a little blue light right there. How cute. This thing is so cool. And we've got the propellers are actually guarded by this. So you would actually have to unscrew the guard, which I guess is why they include a screwdriver, and this will come apart and you can change the propellers. So we're going to charge this thing up, and then we're going to test it out and see how it flies inside the house. I think this is a pretty awesome toy for your kids, and for 25 bucks, you can't go wrong. You'll see the USB is red right at this point right here in the charging cycle. So we're going to see how long this actually takes to charge. This is the first flight of the smaller Snaptain drone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm also going to turn the drone on. And to pair it, I'm going to click this button up and down. Okay, this bad boy's paired. Okay, so flying pretty well. Wow, these things have gotten a lot better since the last time I remember. Look at that, it's pretty awesome. Okay guys, this next clip is just a slow motion clip, but the clip after I forgot to put my on-camera mic on, so you're just getting a little crappy audio. Sorry guys. Okay guys, we're testing the Snaptain little mini drone. So I'm going to show you guys the flip function, and I'm going to show you why you might want to buy this $26 drone for your kids or someone in your family this holiday season. And you can tell because I got my holiday shirt on, so I'm just filled with cheer here. Alright guys, so we're going to do liftoff in T-minus 5 seconds. Just kidding, we're going to lift off right now. So, drone lifts off in one touch. I should have put the mic on, but I didn't. Okay, so in order to get the flip function here, we're going to get away from the TV. I'm going to turn the drone the other way, and we're going to click the right stick and then turn it. Okay, so I'm going to move a little closer so you can get a little better picture of that, and click the stick. And it still landed it. Look at that. That's amazing. So click the right stick, forward. Woo! Alright, click the right stick. Alright, this thing flips. It is amazing. Look at that. It regains the exact speed that you want. It hovers pretty well. Pretty awesome, guys. So, now if you want to land the drone, there's a one-touch land button. And I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm just going to hit the one-touch return button right here. And the drone lands very safe. That is the Snaptain H823H. That's a lot of numbers and a lot of letters, and it confuses the hell out of me. But besides the unusual naming scheme by Snaptain, I think this is an amazing drone. You can find it on Amazon for $26. I mean, this drone flips, it goes fast. There's going to be no connectivity to your phone, so this is going to be great for kids that don't have phones. This actual drone is awesome to play with. I had so much fun playing with this drone. It does the flips. It hovers pretty stably for a little mini drone like this, and they've improved so much over the years. So you're gonna love playing with this, and for $26, I just don't think you can say no. If you'd like to purchase the drone, I'm gonna leave a link below, and you can use that to shop on Amazon, and it greatly helps my channel out. And if you found this video helpful, smack the like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. And if I don't see you, I'm gonna be mad, bro. No, that's someone else's line, but I like it. I'm gonna be mad if I don't see you next week. Alright guys, peace.